Here at the Wetherspoons, and I'm gonna be asking you social media to buy me food and drinks. Some groups did approve, but some of them did decline my post, so hopes are very low to be fair. But now we're just gonna wait, see if we get anything. What do you think? We're gonna get anything?
Or we get nothing.
I also think it's not even alcoholic. Jesus Christ. Or maybe it is, slightly. I think it is alcoholic. Another 15 minutes and I have to close the group because... Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna try something different. Today I'm here at the Wetherspoons and I'm gonna be asking you social media to buy me food and drinks, and hopefully I'll get something. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but apparently you can ask and people may buy you things. So I'm just gonna head there and ask the social media, see what we get. Maybe I'm just gonna get empty glass of water, maybe some onion rings, maybe some beers, maybe nothing, I don't know. So that's the whole purpose of this video. I'm just gonna go in and hopefully I'll get something. Also quickly wanted to explain how it's gonna work. So basically there is these Facebook groups called Wetherspoons game and stuff. So what you actually do is you just post yourself there, which Wetherspoons you're in, and ask for people to buy anything. Like you can ask for them to buy you beers, you can ask them to buy you food, whatever. So, and then you just wait and see if anyone's gonna buy you anything. I'm not sure if anyone's gonna buy me anything, because what I believe is if you're only girl with big tits, you know, that's the only way you're gonna get stuff for free. But maybe I'm wrong. Let's go in and find out. So here's the deal. You got this app called Wetherspoons here, where you can actually check whichever Wetherspoons you're in, anywhere in UK, and then you can just order to any table. So just order food to any table and drinks to any table, and that's what I'm exactly gonna do. So I'm just gonna go onto the Facebook groups and post that I'm in this Wetherspoons here, and I'm gonna ask for people to just buy me stuff. Hopefully I'll get something, I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna post, make a post, I'll show you what I'm posting, and then we'll just play the waiting game. I don't know if that's gonna work or not, but because I know it's gonna take some while, I asked my mate to come here with me, so don't get too bored. And whenever he's gonna come here, then I'm gonna do the post and everything, because obviously you have to post. The more people the better, because the more people the more stuff you can get. So fingers crossed he arrives within the next 10 minutes so we can dive into it. So yeah, here is the group. I don't know if you can see the Wetherspoons game. So you're just gonna open these groups, and so I'm just gonna open these groups, and you can see the people just posting stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna pause there and see how it goes. Alright. Also, I want to make sure that this is not gonna be fake, or you know, I'm not gonna be ordering stuff for myself. So just to prove you, here's my app. Here's my Wetherspoons app, and I'm gonna show you that I've not got no previous orders here. Order history. My order history is absolutely empty. So yeah, you can see there's no orders before. So you're gonna know that I'm not faking this, and all the orders, if any, they are all gonna be legit. Alright, I posted in some groups. Some groups did approve, but some of them did decline my post, so hopes are very low to be fair. But while I'm waiting, I'm still gonna order some beers, probably one beer each, and then everything else that's gonna come is gonna be from somebody else. I'm not sure if anything's gonna come, but fingers crossed. Right, just to give you an update, ordered some coffee and Corona. On my orders there's only one order, which you see there. So anything else we're gonna get is gonna be from somebody else. So yeah, now we're just gonna wait, see if we get anything. What do you think? We're gonna get anything?
Or we get nothing.
I also think
we're gonna get nothing.
Absolutely.
That's
Right.
That's what we're gonna get.
Right, anyway, 2 hours here maximum, maybe 3 hours, and then see what we get enough, and then we're gonna go home. Obviously, I hope that we're not gonna get too much of a drinks because I still have to drive home, do I? Yeah, the pub itself is pretty quiet, but the largest area is just down there. But I didn't want to go with the camera anywhere there because I'm slightly camera shy still. But obviously, after a couple of drinks, nobody's camera shy. So we just been bring this massive cup of drink.
Yes! Hell yeah! Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on!
I don't know what that is, but let's just dive into it. Obviously, I also had some notification here, which said here, some Nicole, the picture of mango mash is coming our way, and I think that's what it is.
Well, by the looks of it, yeah, it is our mango mash.
Happy days. I was actually thinking that social media posts, you only get drinks and food only if you're a girl like with big tits and everything, you know, but obviously look at that, it does work.
What about my big tits? My big tits. They do the charm.
So yeah, I'm just gonna update the post and be grateful, say thanks for somebody to actually buying things.
Okay, who do we say thank you?
So yeah, keep you updated if anything else comes, but let me just have a sip. Let me have a sip. It's not even alcoholic, Jesus Christ. Or maybe it is, slightly. I think it is alcoholic.
Can't feel alcohol, but that's good anyway. Because if we start getting like millions of people.
But yeah, still 2 hours to go. You never know what we're gonna get after. Oh, Jesus Christ! I literally just checked the Facebook, right? And not being funny, these are all orders that are coming in. There's multiple of them, and I already have something, and I've ordered a couple of beers. I don't know, I think another 15 minutes and I have to close the group because that's gonna be just way too many drinks, I'm telling you. But, you know, I was pretty skeptical if this is gonna work.
I thought we were gonna sit here for 3 hours so we're gonna get nothing. But on this speed, I think we're gonna get drunk within the next hour.
This is just insane. I was literally so skeptical about all this because, you know, like I said, if you're a girl, you get things. But for us two guys, I've just literally posted that nobody died, nobody got divorced, nobody's dying. So just two guys came into the pub because my car broke down, and he came to support me, and that's all we're getting now. That's just insane, guys. Seriously. Hopefully, I can still drive home. You know, I don't want to drive on a taxi though. Cheers, guys. So yeah, apparently, because I've just joined the group and I've been a new member, the admin of this group basically says here that he's shutting the post down after I got already 3 orders because I'm a new member. But that's absolutely fine because I'm here like 15 minutes. Seriously, we are here just oh, there's another, that's what came again. That's what I'm saying, only here 15 minutes and that's what we're getting. And obviously the admin closed my post so nobody else can order stuff here, but that's actually good because this is what we're getting in 10 minutes, and we've got another 2 orders here, as you can see. And I don't want to get too drunk, like I said, I need still to drive home, and I'll post it in 2 groups.
Sorry guys, we're not recording, so
We're recording what?
we're not recording this.
Oh, is that allowed to record?
Make my stuff feel uncomfortable.
Oh, right, sorry about that.
Yeah, but if I don't record the sound, just myself.
That camera's recording as well, that's all.
Okay, I'll
Yeah, I switched it off, yeah.
Yeah, if I'm gonna record just myself, that's fine, yeah? Right guys, seriously. It's like 7:03 and I came here like 6:40. This is what we already have.
Where do we get milk? Where do we get milk?
I don't know why we got milk, but obviously I'm just gonna close the post because this is getting out of control. I don't want to get too drunk, you know. Also, I've been told not to record much because the staff is getting like irritated by me recording all this, so I have to be pretty careful who do I record. But if I can record myself, that's absolutely fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna delete all the posts because I don't want to have too much drinks and everything. So yeah, I'll keep you updated if anything else comes, but obviously this is already too much, but I think she's coming again. Yeah, literally just while I was finishing recording, there's another drinks game. Seriously, this is just 15 minutes. This is just too much. I don't think we can drive after this, but yeah, guys, this actually works. This actually works. So if you wanna get free drinks, get smashed, join the groups and post the stuff in there. Yeah, at some point the staff came over and they said do not record because obviously the staff getting agitated that we're recording in the pub and they don't feel very comfortable being recorded. But yeah, obviously there's nothing else coming here as we're not ordering anything. I don't think this is actually
gonna
enough
last
for us for at least an hour or two.
Definitely.
Yeah, I was actually hoping that we're gonna get one drink or something, nothing else. That's why I even ordered Corona myself, but obviously I shouldn't have. I could have saved on it, but yeah, hopefully we don't get pissed. Right, some Jager bombs. Cha-ching. Let's go. Just to give you an update, right? You can see here it's been posted 22 minutes ago. Obviously this came in first 20 minutes. That's just mental. I don't know. I seriously don't know. That's the original post. So yeah, that probably will take about an hour to finish all this. But it's not so bad. I thought it's gonna be worse, that I'll gonna be sitting here for 2 hours waiting for something and nothing would turn up, but obviously a lot of things turn up. So if you want free drinks and food, obviously make sure you join these groups because this is just free booze. You can get wasted every day even if you have no money. Trying my best to finish all this, but I think you guys, you seriously want to get me drunk, but that's just too much, yeah. Funny enough, in a group it says you cannot be driving. Obviously, of course I'm not gonna be driving. But what we actually did, we just like posted in a group, right? There's like a Billy Games at Wetherspoons where you just tell that you're in this pub and you just ask for people to order you food and drinks. I've posted it and within...
So YouTube, right?
Yeah, I've just started YouTube, yeah. And yeah, and obviously I posted in about 10 minutes, I got 4 orders in 10 minutes, and admin, he actually had to shut down the group because my post, because there are too many orders coming in.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's insane. Yeah. Anyway guys, enjoy your drinks. If you want more, just ask because we may not finish these because we have to drive as well, so we're not local, yeah? So yeah, we gave to these guys because this is still too much for us because there's 2 beers, 3 beers, 4 beers, still mango thing, this,
Whatever that is.
So yeah, there's just so many drinks. It's 7 o'clock as well.
I'm gonna go get my coffee.
And we still have like half an hour to drive back home, so yeah. Actually, staff was actually surprised as well what we're doing here because I don't think that anyone came here to actually do any recording for the YouTube. So yeah, I think I'm the first person here recording.
That's why they're not used to it, probably. Probably we should ask them prior, is it okay if we make some short videos or something like that?
Yeah, but I don't want to ask. Nobody want to ask this. You know.
Makes you feel comfortable like stuff.
you actually want like the real emotions, the real upsettingness of the person, is it? Because if you ask him, he'll be prepared. We do all unprepared. What if I told them that I'm gonna be posting and they be prepared for all of this? That would be so fake emotions. And then how they were so angry, that was real. They were real upset that I was recording all this.
But end of the day, they're still working here, so I wouldn't prefer if somebody came to my workplace and started filming me working.
First, when I had this idea, right, I've actually joined one of the groups, and I was like looking, and there's not many like people posting that, you know, there's a lot of people posting to get like free drinks and stuff, but based on comments, that almost nobody was getting drinks. So I thought like, let me take this to next level. So I just joined the largest groups in UK. I think the largest one had like 780,000 members. Second one has 230,000 members. And the third one is also about 200,000. I thought, like, if I get one drink from each group, that's a win-win, is it? So maybe that was the reason why in first 5-10 minutes we get like literally rammed with these drinks. But yeah,
four orders here.
yeah, four orders.
Plus yours.
That's my order, the first one that I've showed, that I've ordered the Corona and the coffee. But obviously, there's not the 2 drinks of these lads. So that would be like 1, 2,
So we
3,
get
4,
2
5,
Jager bombs.
6 beers, 7 beers, 2 Jager bombs, and the mango like cocktails. And that was after 10 minutes they switched post off, and second post I switched off because obviously there was already so many that, you know, I don't want full table with the drinks and not be able to like finish them, which was a fair point from me, I guess. But as advice for you, if you actually have a large group, you join these like groups, the Wetherspoon game, whatever it's called, on a group on a Facebook, and you actually have to invite another 3-4 people, 4 to 5 people I think, in the group, and then they classify you as a long-term member, so they're not gonna turn off commenting on your post like they did to mine after 5 minutes. But even though in 5 minutes I still have like lots, as you see, and if you're there for like a week or so too, then you got like 4 or 5 your friends joining the group, then your post is gonna stay active for like unlimited time, so you can like stay there for like 2 or 3 hours and get rammed. You can get like 30-50 drinks, and that's just will be insane. You could be like selling drinks to everyone else. Right guys, it's 9 o'clock now. We've been here for about 2 hours. We finished all the drinks here, just like multiple beers. We gave 2 beers to these guys are already left. This place is probably is gonna close about an hour, maybe 2, I don't know. It's Sunday, everyone's have to go to work tomorrow, so probably not gonna finish this because everyone has to go to work tomorrow. So my final thoughts, would I do this again? Obviously I would, if you give me 50 likes and everyone will subscribe to the channel. And yeah, if I would have to take taxi home, I would probably get blackout drunk. Anything you want to add?
I'm gonna jump in even with no likes, no subscribers, because, well, 3 drinks and that's the day.
Yeah, guys, let me know if you would probably try a similar challenge that I did. If you would join, what drinks would you expect, what food would you expect? And yeah, just press the like, subscribe, send to all your friends, and see you next video because it's gonna get even better. Bye bye.
Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. If you're strong enough.